Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to start painting our Starship watercolor. And in this lesson, you are going to learn how to create this great colored background and make a galaxy using these really awesome bright colored watercolors. And then you're going to learn how to draw starships in one-point perspective. Okay? So, on day one, this is what you're going to do. Okay, you are actually, first of all, going to write your name. Now this watercolor paper, sometimes it will have like a smooth side and sometimes it'll have a rough side. So if that's the case, then write your name on the back of the rough side. Okay, there it is, and your section number. Okay, then you guys are going to have this pan of water sitting on the table. These are the liquid watercolors that I'm going to give you. Okay, they do stain your clothes, so be careful. Put your smock on and tie it up around you so you can't ruin your clothes. And then you're going to need a tall bucket of water, okay, and some pointed long brushes like this. Okay, so here goes. First thing I'm going to do is wet my paper thoroughly like this. I'm dipping it in. And I have the mat down ready. And in addition to having my colors, I have salt, which I'll be using later to make the stars. All right, so I'm going to wet my brush, and I'm going to begin by blopping the paint. How cool is that? And I'm going to cover this entire piece of paper because I am making a galaxy. Okay. Now, you can control it somewhat if you want. Okay, so let's say I want to put a planet in the corner. I'm going to use this orange here. Okay, so maybe I want to plan that I'm going to have some sort of a planet here. And then all of the other spots can be just sort of glowy auras for where you will draw other planets. So I think I'll just put some spots. Okay, and I am going to make my universe kind of dark because I want the contrast. This will dry much lighter, okay, than you expect it to. And don't worry if it smears around. Okay, that's perfectly fine. You should have two color blues, although it looks like I'm only... Oh yeah, there it is. One's a little greener than the other. Okay. All right, and so actually I just ended up using one brush. Okay, I think I'll throw in a little yellow here and there. Okay, and there it is. Okay. All right. Now also, when you get these little rivers, hold on. It's good to have a paper towel around just to blot them a little bit. Okay. And the texture of the paper towel will add to the feeling of your abstract background as well. All right, now while it's all wet, I'm going to sprinkle my salt in. And there we go. And I bet you can kind of, here, I'll go close up so you can even see how the salt is starting to make little white circles in the ink. All right, so that's lesson for day one.